Oh, wait, start over. Sorry.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm Zoe. I'm Helen.
Uh-huh.
We made a rainwater collector.
Okay. Make it rain.
This might take a while.
It's okay.
You watered the grass already. Here you go, Zoe.
You can also pour some directly in there. Yeah, there you go.
It's raining.
Does anyone see it? Oh, it has to get up to the level of the hoses. Wow.
I don't think it's going to be enough water.
I think it will.
If only it was windy. The spout on top of it so I can get in.
Don't water that.
If you want, you can take the sprayer off. Just unscrew it.
Grass is kind of already watered.
That's okay. It's okay. It's running off because it's dry.
What do you think I'm doing?
All right. So we'll pretend now that it's a spray.
Oh.
That works a lot.
All right. Is it coming out?
Yay! Yeah! Here it goes. Yeah, that
Okay.
one too.
Can we get some applause?
All of them are working! Helen, all of them are working! Oh my god! Yes! I didn't! Oh, are you okay?
Super awesome. Thanks, ladies.
Are you going to put this on?